Have you felt it? The crypto wave is here? More and more people are curious about cryptocurrency every day. They want to learn about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the amazing opportunities in the crypto world. But navigating this new world can be confusing. That's where you come in. By understanding and sharing crypto tools, you can ride this wave to potential profits. Crypto tools are like your trusty sidekick in the world of digital currencies. They are indispensable in navigating the complex and often volatile landscape of cryptocurrencies. Think of them as apps and platforms designed to make your crypto journey smoother and hopefully more profitable. These tools are crafted to provide you with real-time data, analytics, and insights that can help you make informed decisions. These tools help you buy, sell, trade, and manage your crypto assets safely and efficiently. From tracking market trends to executing trades, they cover all aspects of crypto management. There's a tool for everyone, whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're a seasoned trader. Beginners can find intuitive platforms that simplify the process, while experienced traders can access advanced features for in-depth analysis. For beginners, a user-friendly exchange like Coinbase or Binance is a great starting point. These platforms offer easy-to-navigate interfaces and comprehensive guides to help you get started. These platforms let you buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies with ease. They also provide educational resources to help you understand the basics of crypto trading and investing. For those looking to dive into trading, platforms like TradingView provide advanced charting tools and technical analysis features. These tools are essential for understanding market movements and making strategic trades. And don't forget about hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, essential for keeping your precious crypto assets secure offline. These devices offer an extra layer of security, protecting your investments from online threats. Sharing your knowledge and passion for crypto tools can be surprisingly profitable. The crypto world is vast and constantly evolving, and many people are eager to learn more about it. By leveraging your expertise, you can create multiple streams of income while helping others navigate this complex field. One popular method is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with crypto platforms and earning commissions by referring new users to their services. Many crypto platforms offer affiliate programs where you can earn commissions by referring new users. The more users you refer, the higher your potential earnings. It's a win-win situation for both you and the platform. Simply share your unique referral link on your blog, social media, or even in casual conversations. The key is to reach as many people as possible and provide them with valuable information about the crypto tools you are promoting. Another lucrative option is content creation. By producing high-quality content, you can attract a large audience and establish yourself as an authority in the crypto space. Share your insights and knowledge about different crypto tools through blog posts, videos, or even online courses. These platforms allow you to reach a wide audience and provide them with valuable information. High-quality content can attract a large audience and open doors to income streams like advertising revenue, sponsorships, and premium subscriptions. The more engaging and informative your content, the more opportunities you will have to monetize it. You can also explore consulting opportunities. As a consultant, you can offer personalized advice and strategies to individuals and businesses looking to enter the crypto market. Many individuals and businesses are eager to tap into the crypto market but need guidance on navigating the technical aspects. Your expertise can help them make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Offer your expertise as a consultant, helping them choose the right tools and strategies for their needs. By doing so, you not only earn a consulting fee but also build a reputation as a trusted advisor in the crypto community. The crypto world thrives on community. Engage with fellow crypto enthusiasts, share your knowledge, and learn from others. Join online forums like Reddit's r/cryptocurrency, participate in Telegram groups dedicated to specific crypto tools, and attend virtual and in-person crypto events. By actively participating in the crypto community, you'll not only expand your knowledge and network, but you'll also build trust and credibility. People are more likely to trust recommendations from someone who is actively engaged and respected within the community. Take for example the story of Andreas Antonopoulos. He started as a simple crypto enthusiast who loved sharing his knowledge. Andreas was passionate about the potential of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. He spent countless hours studying, learning, and engaging with the community. His dedication and enthusiasm were contagious, inspiring many others to explore the world of crypto. He started as a simple crypto enthusiast who loved sharing his knowledge. He began by writing blogs, giving talks, and participating in online forums. His ability to break down complex concepts into understandable terms made him a beloved figure in the community. Today he's a renowned author, speaker, and educator in the crypto space, all thanks to his passion for sharing insights and empowering others. His books have become essential reading for anyone interested in the field, and his lectures are attended by thousands worldwide. Another inspiring example is the story of Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum. Vitalik was just a curious programmer who saw the potential of blockchain technology. He envisioned a platform that could do more than just handle transactions. He was just a curious programmer who saw the potential of blockchain technology. He believed in the idea of a decentralized world where applications could run without any downtime, fraud, or interference from third parties. By sharing his vision and collaborating with others, he co-created one of the most influential cryptocurrencies in the world. Ethereum has revolutionized the way we think about blockchain and has opened up endless possibilities for developers and businesses alike. These stories highlight the transformative power of the crypto world and the potential that lies in embracing and sharing its tools. They remind us that with passion, dedication, and a willingness to share knowledge, anyone can go from ordinary to extraordinary in the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and constantly evolving. By understanding and sharing crypto tools, you're not just riding a wave, you're becoming a part of a revolutionary movement that's reshaping finance and technology as we know it. Don't be afraid to dive in, explore the tools available, and share your knowledge with the world. The potential for profit is there, but even more importantly, you'll be contributing to a more decentralized and empowered future. The crypto wave is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Jump in, ride the wave, and unlock your earning potential.